Top workplace wellness trends, boosting mental health and productivity. Discover the latest workplace wellness trends shaping healthier, more productive environments with a focus on mental health, mindfulness, and holistic care. Workplace wellness trends, shaping healthier, happier workplaces. Hey, I just wanted to share some really fascinating stuff I came across about workplace wellness trends that are transforming how companies care for their employees. You know, there's been a big shift lately toward creating work environments that don't just focus on productivity, but actually emphasize mental health, self-care, and holistic health in a way that feels genuinely supportive rather than just a checkbox on HR's to-do list. So, what's really interesting is how these trends are going beyond those old standard wellness perks like gym memberships or free fruit in the break room. Companies these days are looking at wellness in a much broader, integrated way, aiming to improve employees' overall quality of life, both at work and beyond. One of the biggest moves is the rise of mindfulness and mental health initiatives. You might think meditation at work sounds a bit new age, but it's becoming totally mainstream. A lot of workplaces offer mindfulness sessions or apps that encourage moment-to-moment awareness to help employees manage stress and maintain focus. This aligns with a lot of what we know from personal transformation practices. By encouraging regular mental resets, people can bring better energy and presence to their work and personal lives. Another cool trend is the integration of flexible work schedules and remote work options that respect individual rhythms and life demands. We're finally seeing a move away from the rigid 9-to-5 expectation to something that recognizes people's need for balance and self-care. This flexibility often leads to happier, more engaged employees who feel trusted and valued, which obviously benefits overall success for the organization. Then, there's a growing focus on physical spaces in the office. Companies are designing work environments with wellness in mind. Think natural lighting, ergonomic furniture, quiet rooms for relaxation or meditation, and even green spaces with plants to bring a bit of nature indoors. It's about creating a space that supports a healthy lifestyle, helping employees feel comfortable, less fatigued, and more creatively inspired. But it's not just about the physical or mental aspects. Holistic health is becoming a priority. That means acknowledging how different parts of wellness are interconnected: physical health, emotional well-being, nutrition, sleep, and even social connectedness at work. Many organizations are encouraging healthy habits through nutrition education, movement breaks, or social clubs that help employees build relationships and emotional support networks within the company. One of the most exciting innovations I've noticed is the use of technology to personalize wellness experiences. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, some companies are investing in apps or platforms that track individual needs and suggest customized practices or resources. Whether it's mental health coaching, yoga classes, or even sleep improvement programs, the goal is to meet employees where they are, which makes self-help and self-care much more approachable and effective. What's great about all these trends is how they underscore the idea that wellness isn't just a benefit or an add-on. It's part of cultivating a sustainable, thriving work culture. When companies invest in employee well-being, we see better morale, less burnout, more creativity, and ultimately, higher productivity. It's a win-win that's catching on fast. Plus, these shifts tie closely to the broader movement toward personal transformation and responsible leadership. Wellness at work reflects and supports growth in all areas of life. It's about feeling empowered to bring your best self every day. And if you're curious to learn more about the connections between health, wellness, and success, there are some fantastic resources that elaborate on these ideas. By the way, if you're interested in exploring books and materials focused on health and wellness, I found a great collection that covers topics from mindfulness to holistic health and beyond. You can check them out here. Explore the books now. It's a perfect way to get inspired and equipped with tools for your own wellness journey. All in all, it's exciting to see how workplace wellness is evolving into a more human-centered, thoughtful approach that honors the full spectrum of employee needs. It's about embracing mental health, self-care, and holistic health, moving away from burnout culture and toward a more supportive environment where everyone can thrive. Honestly, this mindset isn't just great for the workplace, but offer some valuable lessons for life outside the office too. Anyway, I just thought you'd find these trends as insightful as I did. If your workplace hasn't started embracing some of these ideas yet, hopefully this sparks some ideas for positive change. Whether that's talking to HR, suggesting new programs, or simply practicing wellness habits yourself. Because in the end, wellness is a journey, and the more we can integrate it into daily life, the better off we all are.